morning, stars. It's Mrs. Waters. I am so happy to be here with you on Tuesday, March 31st, and having us be on our way to Digital Learning 2.0. So yesterday you had Zoom meetings with your teachers and you got to learn a little bit about the Google Classroom. I want to let you know that I'm going to do daily announcements posted right here to our website so you can find out what's going on and get different tips and tricks. So today I wanted to share a couple of things. One, my read alouds are going to live on your Google Classrooms. That way we can honor the author's copyright laws and not have it available to the public. So on the home website will just be my daily announcements. The read alouds will be on your Google Classroom, so you can access those there. I have some Spirit Day things going on, and I wanted to show you today two things on your Google Classroom. One, how you can upload your pictures for the Spirit Day right into your Google Classroom so that we know you've turned it in rather than having to email it to me or your teacher. So how you do that is when you're in your Google Classroom, you click right here on Classwork. And I am logged in today as Hamish Carroll. I chose him at random to be my example student today. So Hamish, it won't show up on your Google Classroom, but you are our example. So when you go to Spirit Week, today's Spirit Day is make a sign or note to thank your teacher for their hard work, share the sign, or even better, take a picture with you with your sign. So then you have to get your picture up to us. And what you do is you go in and you view the assignment, and right here you can add or create. And then you pick where it is. It's either in a file that maybe you've saved to your computer, maybe you're doing this from your parent's phone or iPad and you can link right to it. Maybe it's on your Google Drive, or maybe you just want to draw a picture and you do that in the drawings and you click on there. But then once you maybe go to a file and you have some recent files in your file, and I'm going to just use this one as an example. My little picture's in the way, and we're going to add it, and it adds it right here. Once you've done that, you just click turn in, and then we get it in the Google Classroom on our side. So that's how you can upload a picture. The other thing I wanted to show you in the Google Classroom is when you go here to the home page, you go back to classwork. At the very top of the page, there's a button that says view your work. That's going to be the best way to see how everything you need to do all in one place. So you know that we're doing reading on Mondays, math on Wednesdays, and writing on Fridays. But that doesn't mean that we have an assigned work to do in between when we meet from one Monday to the next Monday. And so there's different assignments each day. So if you go to view your work, all of those will show up here as they've been assigned to you, and you can click right on them to view the details of it and do it. Once you have it done, you can mark it as done. You can add evidence, different things there, but then you go back to your to-do list and everything you need to do is right there. If you finish something, so even if you didn't turn in work yesterday for the Spirit Day, I marked everybody as being done. And so when it's done, you will get a check off. When you've turned it in and your teacher hasn't reviewed it yet, it says turned in. When it says assigned, it means you haven't finished it yet. So yeah, it's an easy way to see the Google Classroom. So I talked about Spirit Day. I talked about your work button on Google Classroom. I talked about where the read alouds are going to live. And I wanted to share with you something else. I am also active on Twitter, and I've been sharing on there. Let me see if I can show you. Each day I try and put up something from this organization called Character Strong, and they have a challenge each day. So I've been putting that up on my Twitter. I'm going to add it to our Google Classroom so that you can see those as well. But it's 30 days of kindness that you can do the activities around. And then after that, we'll have a new Look for the Good campaign. So pretty excited about all the things that we're able to offer. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to email me at dwaters@nsd.org, or you can reach out to your teachers. I hope you have a great day, stars. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible, because you make Hollywood Hill and your house a great place to be. Have a good day.